I'm excited to talk to you about one of the most popular cooking technologies we are seeing at Schaefer's, and that is induction cooking. If you haven't heard of it or don't know much about it, induction cooking is a method that uses electromagnetic fields to directly heat your cookware, rather than using a gas flame or an electric heating element. Here's how it works. Induction cooktops have a coil of copper wire under the surface. When you turn on the cooktop, an electric current passes through the coil, creating a magnetic field that generates heat directly in the pot or pan. This means the cookware itself becomes the heat source, which allows for much more precise temperature-controlled cooking, which cooks your food more efficiently and evenly. One of the biggest advantages of induction cooking is its speed and efficiency. Because the heat is transferred directly to the cookware, water boils up to 50% faster compared to traditional gas or electric stoves. Plus, the cooktop stays cool to the touch, making it safer to use, especially around children or even pets. One of the reasons many chefs have always preferred cooking on a gas cooktop is because of the precise control you get with gas. Unlike standard electric cooktops, induction cooktops are also incredibly precise, allowing you to maintain consistent, fast temperatures, just like gas, with just the touch of a button. And cleanup, it's a breeze, since spills don't burn onto the cooler cooktop surface. So if you're looking for faster, safer, and more efficient cooking, induction is the way to go. Let Schaefer's help you upgrade your kitchen and experience the precision and control of induction cooking.